In a tense courtroom showdown, a 20-year-old faces a life-altering choice: 6 years in prison or 8 years under the strictest probation terms imaginable. The judge makes it clear there's no third option. What follows is a rare glimpse into high-stakes justice, raw accountability, and a young man's fight to avoid losing the rest of his youth. Every second in this hearing counts, and one wrong word could change his fate forever.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0000574, State versus Quentyn Lee Francis. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Charles Bunk for Mr. Francis.
And are you Quentyn Francis?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received?
Speak up.
All right, thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review it with your client?
We have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Francis, did you review the application for deferred or community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Francis, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with evading arrest, detention in a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Francis, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State is opposed to your application. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 740704, 2025 PF 00232, 2025 PF 29409. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 00230, 2025 PF 00232, 2025 PF 00233. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Then to the offenses filed, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
State offers states one in attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waivers and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
I understand
Yeah.
the need for the punishment. I do.
Mhm.
But I think when we look long-term, something like ISF would be more beneficial to him in the long run than just the jail sanction followed up by outpatient.
All right, so are you waiving PSI?
We will waive PSI that, Judge.
All right, so These are your choices. These are the only choices you have. There is no other choice, so don't come to me for a third choice. Either choice you make, you're gonna end up going into custody. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So your choice is 6 years in the prison, or either I will give you your deferred adjudication, but your deferred adjudication is gonna be for 8 years. And then you're gonna do time in ISF. Those are your only choices. There are no other choices. So which do you prefer?
Deferred adjudication.
All right, so this is what the court is going to be. There's 8 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no driving until further notice. How far did you go in school?
To the ninth grade.
Hmm?
The ninth grade.
Why are you dropping out of school?
I stopped going to school whenever COVID happened. I just didn't go back.
All right, there's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 100 of those hours will be waived if he obtains his GED, some type of trade school or higher level education. And if you're drug tested today, what would the results be?
Negative.
There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be the defensive driving course. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's going to be partial GPS upon release, waive fees, and partial GPS will be for employment and fulfillment of probation conditions only. Taking consideration 2025 PF 00230, 2025 PF 00232, 2025 PF 00233. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CC 740704, 2025 PF 00232, 2025 PF 29409. There should be a TAP evaluation in custody, follow recommendations. And there's to be ISF probation. Do you want that to be local or not? It's really for cognitive for now.
Local judge.
All right, so there's to be local ISF. And there's a $2,000 fine, and that will be probated. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Yes,
Cases that, will not be current with, are those gonna be led to the
I'll have to take him downstairs, yes.
all right. Is there anything else? Probation? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Mother, is there anything else he needs? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We can go off the record. Here's the thing, you're 20. You're throwing your life away. You've made your life more difficult than it has to be from doing stupid things. If you would have had an accident in your mother's car and you're not on her insurance, guess who would have had to been paying for that out of pocket? She would have had to been paying for that because she gave you permission to use her vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you continue the way you are continuing, only one of two things is going to happen. Either you're gonna end up in prison, right? And I don't think you like prison because prison would not be good for you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And there are people who are in prison who, some people there just want to do their time, but then there are some people who want to make their time, other people's time as miserable as their time. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you better get your life together. If not, you're going to end up in prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. We'll be excused.